Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for our 2012 Peugeot Partner. This vehicle has been converted for wheelchair access. It's in fantastic condition. It's only done 17,000 miles from new. Rather than being a full sort of instructional video, we're really just using this to give you a good idea of the condition and everything like that, so that you're able to make a decision on the van before you came to see it. So in terms of the bodywork, there are no dents or anything like that to mention at all. I think if I was going to be ultra critical, there's a couple of very, very light scuffs just around here, just near the number plates around and everything like that, on the paintwork. But otherwise, coming down the side and having a look at everything else, it's all in really nice condition. All the mirror housings and everything like that are all fantastic. The interior of the van is pretty much brand new. Coming across here to the back bumper, you've got rear parking sensors, as you can see, and again, no damage there to mention. All the way down the passenger side, exactly the same. All the even things like the door edges and everything like that, completely free of any sort of parking marks or anything like that as well. And again, another perfect mirror on that side. You've got wheel trims on each of the four wheels. They're all in very, very good condition, and there's nothing really to point out other than that little bit on the front that I've already mentioned. Having a look at the inside, you've got the rear ramp here that just you pull this across, and this one pulls through, and again you'll see all of the plastics that are quite easily marked normally, but these are all in absolutely fabulous condition. There's really nothing to mention and to point out there. You've got this side seat here as well, so you can actually have a rear passenger, and then that folds up and out of the way when you're not using it. You've got the electric winch with the controls and everything like that for this here, and then these all fit in there towards the front. But yeah, as you can see, very, very nice condition. No marks or anything like that. The seats are pretty much unused and completely unmarked. Just close that down. Coming in from the inside, just trying to battle with this low sun at the moment. We open up into the driver's area. The dashboard's completely free of any marks or anything like that. It really is absolutely perfect in here. There's nothing to point out to you whatsoever. Driver's seat, all lovely, no marks or anything like that to the fabric. All the headlining in fantastic condition. There is really nothing to point out at all that I don't think you'd be happy with. No undue wear anywhere. All around the doors and everything like that. We'll just put the key in the ignition. See the mileage today, so actually, sorry, it's 12,250 miles until the next service is due. And the mileage today, 17,190. Got air conditioning, 12-volt socket in the front, electric windows. And again, just looking through, you can see that all of the interior is completely unmarked. I hope that's given you a good overall view of the car. Like I said, absolutely fantastic condition. It's got a huge amount of service history with it. We have 2 keys and all the books and manuals and everything like that as well. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange to value, then please do let us know through our website, which is jarvis.co.uk. We're more than happy to help and ultimately love to show you the vehicle in person. Thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.